Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download Steam for PC Windows, install it, and create a Steam account. It's super simple. Just follow along, and you'll be all set to explore the amazing world of gaming on Steam. Open your web browser and search for Steam on Google, or go directly to the official Steam website at store.steampowered.com. Once on the homepage, you'll see the Install Steam button at the top right corner. Click on it to navigate to the download page. Here, click on the Install Steam button again, ensuring you select the version compatible with Windows. This will download the installation file to your computer. When the download is complete, open the installation file. A setup window will appear. Follow the instructions on the screen. Choose your preferred language. Click Next, and select a folder to install Steam, or use the default location. Keep clicking Next until the process is complete. Depending on your system, it may take a few minutes. Once installed, Steam will launch automatically and may update itself to the latest version. If you don't already have a Steam account, click Create a Free Account at the bottom right corner of the login screen. A registration window will appear where you'll need to enter your email address, select your country, and confirm that you're not a robot and over 13 years old. Then, click Continue. Next, Steam will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the Verify My Email Address button. Once verified, return to the registration window to create your username. If your desired username is taken, either modify it slightly or choose one of the suggestions Steam provides until you see Available. After choosing your username, set a secure password, confirm it by retyping, and click Done. If everything is correct, you'll see a message confirming your new account has been created. Click Continue to log in using the credentials you just created. During your first login, you'll need to enter a verification code sent to your registered email. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification screen. Once logged in, Steam's main interface will appear, showcasing thousands of exciting games available for purchase and download. In the next video, I'll show you how to download games from Steam. You'll find the link to that video in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Catch you in the next video.